What's up, YouTube? Bum in a Suit here. I'm back with a box break of 2010 Topps Unrivaled. Busted 3 or 4 boxes of this stuff. Actually, I kind of love this Topps Unrivaled. So far, I haven't had a bad box. Let's keep it going. Put the Foxborough Mojo picture on it. Good luck. Packs are super thin. Empty boxes in there. I got 2 checklists though. Sweet. Two checklists. And I'll save the patch pack for that. I actually have the Tate out of here I got from the Bay not too long ago. Good luck. Pack 1. All base. That's actually the patch right there. Super thick. Toby Gerhart rookie, number to 999. I'll slow roll the patch autograph for you guys when we get there. All base. Random extra checklist. You got it, man. You got it. I'll actually give it to whoever gets the best hit. Mike Williams rookie, number to 999. It's a thicker pack, but it's one of those. I can tell you, it's one of those gold inserts. Actually, there was nothing in there. Tell you how good I am at searching packs. A lot of base cards in this product. So if I don't say anything, just assume it's all base. Number to 499, Dan Williams rookie card for the Cardinals. Yeah, right. All base. Yeah, I'll look through those threads and maybe maybe I missed a thin auto or something. I've never to this day though I've missed a hit. I'm usually really good at spotting. There's our first hit. First autograph, gonna be for the Eagles, number 50 of 480. It's not Mike Kafka, it's Riley Cooper. Riley Cooper autograph. So we didn't get Kafka at least. We got Coopered. Maybe that's Winnie Cooper's brother from the Wonder Years. Winnie Cooper. Actually, Winnie Cooper's brother from the Wonder Years died in Vietnam, if you guys don't remember. Maybe he had another brother. She was so hot, yeah. Did you know Winnie Cooper and Becky Slater in the actual TV show are sisters in real life? Did you know that? I bet you didn't know that. Winnie Cooper and Becky Slater in the TV show, who played friends, really, are sisters in real life. Troy Polamalu gold, number to 759. I can't remember the last. I used to remember their names, but I can't remember their freaking names, their real names. Joe Namath, number to 499 for the Jets. Just an insert card. I think their last name was like McCarty or something like that. Tony Romo, number to 499 for the boys. Remember, everybody said Paul Pfeiffer was supposed to be Marilyn Manson. Black rookie for the Texans, number 15 and 99 of Ben Tate. Ben Tate, well, black rookies. All base. Yeah, McKellar, that's who it was. What did I say? Did I say McKellar? I said something like that. Yeah, you're right, it is McKellar. Peterson for the Vikes, number to 999. McKellar, that's what their names were. We get an auto in here? I think we got another auto. Nope, Brett Favre gold, number to 499 for the Vikes. We got 4, 5, 6, 7 packs left, plus a patch auto to go through. Still looking for another thin autograph, which is right there. Wow. Holy shit. Holy shit. Two people are going to piss themselves. Two people are going to piss themselves. Good luck. I'm just going to show it. Fuck it. Sam Bradford, Jimmy Clausen duel, number 12 of 25. Sick. So that goes to Foxborough and Trip Dub, I believe. Foxborough has the Panthers. Sick ass card. I'm a huge Clausen fan, so if the Panthers end up getting that Foxborough, let me know. I almost actually bought one of those on eBay last night, believe it or not. I think I almost bought the triple, though. I think it was the Clausen, Bradford, McCoy. I almost bought it. I got PMs going. Bear with me just a second here. Jonathan Dwyer, rookie card, number to 999. That Sam Bradford and Jimmy Clausen is absolutely disgusting. I love it when it just catches you off guard like that. Oh, this is my boy right there, Donald Brown gold, number to 759. It's the best hit of the box. Check that out. Donald Brown tore it up last week. First time in his career. That's the first duel you've seen pull. That's the first duel I pulled in a while, actually. Well, actually, no, I pulled the triple out of triple threat, but first duel out of this stuff. Yeah, it is nice. Got a Asante Samuel, number to 759, and the last pack is our patch autograph. I will go slow for you guys. Slow roll it, since I didn't get the chance to slow roll the duel. Goes this way. Good luck. It's for the Raiders. Jacoby Ford. Nice. Nice. Jacoby Ford, 2-color patch auto. That was a nice box. Number 349. Is that 349? Yeah. 252 at 349. Jacoby Ford. He's been tearing it up too. For the Raiders. So that. And that. Beautiful. Beautiful box. Come back with some more. Let's keep the mojo rolling. I actually rubbed Fox's picture on that box before we started, so we're going to have to do that again. Come back with more Bumper Suit out.